Good production.
Here's my breakfast: fried dumpling, red herring, and 2 pega breadfruit. With a bigger. Good morning, guys! So I'm on my way to the beach. So yeah, when I get there, I'll show you guys. And I'll show you guys my bathing suit. So yeah, on my way to the beach. It's raining, but I still don't care. So yeah, play some fun music. Play some Jamaican music, please. But like some whining Jamaican music. Still driving, like 5 minutes away. Yeah. Stopped at this place real quick, and this girl just got stabbed, and she bleeding like crazy. So I guess some girl stabbed her, and then that girl ran, and then a big girl went after the girl who stabbed her to go stab her back for her. Oh God! I wonder why you think they stab her? Over one? Yeah. It's always over man. That's why girls fight each other. Me. We'll never fight over a guy. Oh God! Why?
Is she a bleed? Hospital she go?
Is the hospital near her?
Oh, that's not.
Oh. Oh God! I feel sorry for her. I hope she gets better. I wonder if it could be. You think it hurt, but she's not crying.
She not gonna cry because she's ignorant.
Oh God.
Come like that now.
Look at all these people. Guys, the girl just dropped down. I don't know if you guys can see her. She dead? But she dropped down. Oh God. I can't even video it good because all these cars is like, but they all over there. She right there. I don't know if you guys can see her foot, but she dropped down.
She dead still.
Oh God.
She got a blood clot. She dead.
Oh God, are they gone or left us?
No, they're right there.
Oh. Somebody that give me a blind. I wonder if they need my help. I am a doctor. Oh, those people. Oh, they came out the car? They what you call it? Yeah, they're fast. Suppose somebody gonna stab them though. Oh. It went down. It could have hit. It could have hit like an artery. Well, depends.
She dropped down still, but I think she dead still. Hey, one girl next to stab him. Hey.
So yes, she gets stabbed. Or she dropped down, and everybody over there trying to help her or whatever. I don't know how deep it went or where it go. Who knows? It could have punctured something.
I know her hand she get it. No, she good.
Maybe she good. Alright, they calling us. Let's go follow them now. So we're following the next car to go to the beach. So yes. I really wonder what they was fighting over. Damn. The Jamaican girl tough.
She not good.
Yeah, probably not. Like, you notice like Jamaican girls, or Jamaican people in general, they fight with weapons, like they don't use their hands. Like knife, gun, bleach, stick, cord, cutlass. Jesus. I can't handle those type of lifestyles. I'm too pretty for that. I'm sorry. What? Very far. You better catch up on start speed. You say you're a bad driver. He all the way up there, and you're way back here. Catch speed. Speed, 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 speed. What are you doing? 120, 120, 130. But that's, what's KM? Kilometers? Kilometers? Kilometers. I don't know how many miles that is, but 140 is probably like, I don't know, 80 miles? No? I don't know. I'm not good at conversions. So we are at Fantasy Beach. Welcome to Fantasy Beach. It don't look like there's a lot of people there. Or any at all for that matter. I like when beach full of people so you know people can look at you and stuff. I asked stuff in the video. There's no one here at all. Now I'm really upset.
Girl get stabbed in her bum buckler. She not go dead man. She get in her hand. And that's enough blood she lose, so she just feel.
Yeah, but it's not good when you lose a lot of blood. This just killed my whole vibes. There's nobody at the freaking beach.
We want to dirty and say because the rain from the care. Don't come on the beach today.
Okay, but I brought like 3 bathing suits so I can come to a beach the next day.
Who want you?
Alright. Me and you.
No.
Oh, it's alright. We'll find our next man.
It's not your man.
I know you're not my man. We're just friends, but if I find somebody else to go with, it's alright. No, the beach dirty.
I told you. Clean them and clean up the beach.
No, guys, look. Yes, run away, babe. Somewhere looks so much better than this. No.
The girl alright, you know, because that's how she get this still. I job, she job. Faint, she faint.
You see her? Oh.
She got alright.
Alright, so guys, change the plans. We're going to run away, babe. Because look at this beach. It's so damn dirty. No, I can't go on that. No, sir. Not me. Alright. Next stop, run away, babe. But we're going to stop at a gas station first. Yeah, people in my life too. Guys, I don't know about you, but like I love when Jamaican people drive. I overtake people. The car that we are following is way up ahead of us. We got caught by the traffic light. Say yes. Alright, now you can overtake him though. What we doing? 140 kilometers. Woo.
Yeah, don't know how far. No fight. Oh, them a go like me not hungry before. Oh, them a go like me not stumble before. You have to make it when you're humble for sure. Crips in a cup and none around me a pour. Oh, them a go like me.
Okay, so we reached Runaway Bay already. So we're here. And my song playing. The love will comfort me. I'm gonna drop. shoes. I'll walk. Excuse me, sir, you're in my way. Oh, I'm not gonna ride the horses. Yeah, I mean, I rode them before, but I'm gonna ride them. Huh? They look tired. They probably can't even manage me. Okay, guys, so we're at the beach now, sitting in the sand, getting this cool breeze. I'm about to go in the water in a little bit. So yeah, here, bathing suit I got from Burlington, and this little cover up I got from Amazon. I like it. Yeah. So don't comment on my video. I don't know this person. I was gonna get a cover up just like that off of Amazon, but I was gonna get it in black. I don't know if you guys can see. No, you guys can't see it. Alright, I'm about to go in the water and then come back and talk to you guys. Okay guys, today wasn't a good day to go to the beach because it's like kind of chilly and the water is like very, very cold and it's not nice, you know. It should have been like a hotter day. I'm holding on to my phone for dear life because I'll be damned if this bitch drops in the freaking water. I just got it too. I got the 8+. So yes, here it is. The beach. In the water. I don't know. I feel like going back up now because I'm not enjoying myself. It's not cold. I mean, it's not nice and cool, you know? Up in these like nice places like Mobia, like Ochi and stuff, the beach is not nice. But like if you go to like a like Elisha stuff, like beaches that like play the music and you have your fried fish and festival, is more nicer. So maybe we go there. Maybe New Year's Eve. I mean New Year's Day or something, because that's like a big holiday and people always go to the beach. Here's my grandmother. She not feeling the water either because it's cold.
The water's so cold.
Yeah. Alright, I'm about to take some pictures of her on her phone. Alright guys, so we're at St. Anne's Bay. We just came from Burger King. I'm about to go back to the guys, it is like almost 9 o'clock. And guess where I'm going today? No, just please leave a comment down below. Just guess. Just guess. Just guess. Country. Again. Oh God, I swear. Last time I said it was the last time I'm going. This is the last time I'm going. I mean, I'm gonna go back, but I can't be spending the entire day going to country. Like, no. I want to be a tourist. You know, I want to go out to places. I swear. And a person who I could like probably hang out with, they have to work, so I have to work around their schedule or whatever. So yeah, I woke up early. I just showered and everything and put on some clothes. So since I'm going to country, I'm wearing this long sleeve pink shirt. It's kind of lightweight. And then these ultimate pink leggings. I love them. They have like the mesh and everything. So I'm wearing this so the mosquitoes have a hard time trying to get to my skin, because when I went to country, I wear like short sleeve and like shorts, and my skin is like so horrible, and like I have bad skin, so like when the mosquitoes bite in, my skin like gets swollen and it's very itchy and it's like very irritated. So yeah, I'm wearing this so hopefully I don't get any new mosquito bites. I don't know what time I'm coming back, but right now I am having breakfast. I'm having this this cranberry water, and then bread with egg. So I'm about to eat that. I don't know if I'm gonna put on the makeup because I really don't feel like it, but I might just put on a little bit, do my eyebrows. Nothing too heavy because it is so hot out here. Like, my makeup was sweating off the last time I went to country. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And if I have anything else worth vlogging, then obviously I'm gonna show you guys. Alright. Here at the nail shop, about to get my nails and my feet done. So yeah, I'm just here waiting. My grandmother is going first. She's gonna repolish her nails. She got them done when she was at home, but it started chipping off and she didn't like it, so she's gonna change the color of the nail polish. So she's going before me and then I'm gonna go after her. So yeah, when my nails are finished, then I'm gonna show you guys and you tell me if you like it or not.
I ain't playing with you.
You are walking trophy. Girl, you are walking trophy. You are walking.
Okay guys, so I just came from the nail shop on my way to Riverdale now, and I got my nails done, and you know, they can't go on. You know, I like them, they're simple and cute, so I'm gonna show you guys them. Yeah, so like the base of my nails is like a white acrylic, and then this is like a bluish greenish color, and then I don't know the flash, you guys can't see it, white, and then right here is this color but like with little glitter and shimmer. I like them. And then my toes, I just do white acrylic. My feet are so fat and ugly, but yeah, just that. Okay, so I'm eating right now. I don't know if this is my lunch or my dinner. Probably my dinner. I don't know which I want. But roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. About to dig in. It's so good. Alright guys, so we are going to walk out on the square. At a little bar part, I don't know. Probably drink a Smirnoff, who knows. And then go back up because I'm supposed to be partying tonight. Hopefully if all goes well. So now I'm walking up this damn hill. This rocky ass hill. I swear, if I lived in Jamaica and I lived on a hill, you know what I'm saying? I would be so fit. So fit. My grandmother right there. Don't know if you can see her, guys. She got her nails done when she came down here, but she didn't like the color, so she changed it. So she just did red, and then they did a little design. So you like these better?
Yeah, I like these better. Right. Yeah, this long time better.
Alright.
The better mean come on and do it.
Hot grandmother.
Yeah, more better.
Shot here. True religion shirt. True religion pants well cut up.
Yeah, yes.
White all-star. She have a clean and fresh. Hey, she clean and fresh. Yes. Yeah. I'm her handbag. Everywhere she at, I'm with her. I love her dearly. So yeah. See her there? Here I am just walking. I can barely see. See, look guys. I was about to go walk over there and go chuck off. Look. Alright.